The other day I was shooting out on the field and I lost my 0.93 stop soft graduated NG filter. This is the filter I use the most, and most of the time it's stuck in front of my lens, so it was unfortunate for me to lose it. I contacted Kase. I told them about my accident. 2 days later I had a package from DHL which included a new filter from China to Iceland in only 2 days. That's how small the world is. But what is a graduated NG filter? A graduated NG filter is an optical filter that has a variable light transmission. They help capture well-balanced images in the highest quality. Landscape photographers use them to minimize the brightness between the sky and ground. That is, to make the transition from ground to sky a lot smoother. As they are graduated, you can move them up and down in the filter holder and find the perfect balance. They come in many types but can be separated into 3 basic categories: hard edge, medium or soft edge. The hard edge filter is used when there is a sharp change in brightness, such as a field with a horizon to a bright sky. A soft edge is a wider, smoother change from light to dark. This is used when the light and dark portions are not distinctly separated, such as a mountain and sky. A soft edge filter is less noticeable than the hard edge. It also has the benefit of making the sky more intense by darkening the sky closer to the top. Choosing the right filters isn't simple. High-quality filters are not cheap, and many of us can't afford to spend hundreds of dollars on a product that doesn't meet our expectations. That's why it's vital to choose the right ones from the beginning. I am not the one who will tell you what to buy, but for me, the Kase filters fulfill all my expectations as a professional landscape and nature documentary photographer, so I highly recommend them. Whatever you do, don't buy second-class filters and put them in front of your first-class lens and camera. Thank you for your time, and let's finish looking at some of the shots I made from the location with the 0.93 stop soft graduated ND filter I got from Kase.